Welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce a rational expression to its lowest terms in this video. We will be focusing on the expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. By following a series of steps, we will simplify this expression to its simplest form. So let's begin the process of reducing this rational expression. To reduce the rational expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x plus 2 to lowest terms, the first step is to factorize the numerator, which is x squared plus 5x plus 6. The numerator x squared plus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic expression. A quadratic expression has the general form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. In our case, a is 1, b is 5, and c is 6. To factorize a quadratic expression like this, we need to find two numbers that multiply to give us c, which is 6, and add to give us b, which is 5. Let's consider the factors of 6. The pairs of factors that multiply to 6 are 1 and 6, 2 and 3, -1 and -6, and -2 and -3. Now, we need to find which of these pairs add up to 5. If we take 2 and 3, we get 2 plus 3 equals 5, which is exactly what we need. So, the quadratic expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 can be rewritten as x plus 2 times x plus 3. We have now expressed the numerator as a product of two binomial expressions. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 becomes x plus 2 times x plus 3. Our rational expression now looks like x plus 2 times x plus 3 over x plus 2. In the next step, we will simplify this further by canceling out common factors. The next step is to simplify the rational expression by canceling common factors. Our expression is x plus 2 times x plus 3 over x plus 2. To do this, observe that the numerator, which is x plus 2 times x plus 3, and the denominator, which is x plus 2, have a common factor of x plus 2. Since we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by this common factor, we can cancel it out. When we cancel out x plus 2 from both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with x plus 3. Therefore, the simplified form of the rational expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x plus 2 is x plus 3. This is the final step, and the expression is now in its simplest form.